Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to hide or unhide a chart in Tradingview. This is a useful feature for organizing our workspace and focusing only on the charts we need. On the Tradingview dashboard, all we need to do is point the cursor over the chart we want to hide. For example, to hide this candle, we point the cursor here and click the three dots. Then we click Hide. As we can see, the chart is now hidden. To unhide it, we can click the eye icon, or we can right-click directly on the candle and select Hide from there as well. To unhide it again, we simply click the I button. That's how we hide or unhide a chart in Tradingview. With just a few clicks, we can keep our workspace clean and our charts well organized.